nice. Be nice.
Huh?
Yay.
Ian and Allie. Brother and sister.
So today's the 15th of November, 2010. Are you smiling, Allie?
Baby.
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 Baby Allie?
A baby. Baby. I got baby. No. No, I got no.
What's her name? What's her name?
Uncle baby.
Allie.
I can.
Are you big brother? What's your name? What's your name?
Can you give your sister a kiss?
Did you give her a kiss? Oh, hang on. Give her a kiss on the forehead. Oh.
Good boy.
Can you say love you?
Do you love your sister?
Say who gets up more during the night? You or Allie? Let's ask those questions.
Who acts like the bigger baby? Who acts like the bigger
Who
baby?
steals Allie's pacifiers and puts it in your mouth? What else does he do? No, he's a good big brother.
Yes, he is.
No, he doesn't take a pacifier out of his mouth, but if he sees one lying around, he'll put it in his mouth. Say hi.
What do you think, Sister Bear? Hmm?
Can't forget about Ian. So Mom needs to...
I'm giving Daddy a hug.
Mommy.
You mean Daddy.
Mama, Dada,
Dada. Mama.
the beautiful Mama.
Mama.
That's
Got out of the
Mama.
shower and hasn't eaten, and it's 7:40, and I've been home an hour and
Baby.
10 minutes ago. Say we love her. Family. What do you want to say about Allie? Say she's an awesome baby.
Mm-hmm.
Say you only cry when, very rarely, when you need something.
Baby. Baby.
Dabba dabba dabba. Dabba dabba.
Dabba dabba dabba.
Right.
Can you count, Ian?
Can you count? Can you go by Mama and count?
Come on, let's do our numbers. 1, 1. Oh, hang on. Let's help you with the big gulp here. Dad, you want to say anything? Say Ian's favorites right now are string cheese. He'll eat like 3 or 4 a day.
Wow.
What else do you
3 or
like?
4 in a row.
We love you. Love you. Okay, love you, Ellie.
I love you. Are you saying bye-byes?
Bye-bye.
Alright, blow kisses.
Love you, Ian.
Bye.
Bye.